welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can match cut audio on CapCut PC. I'm just going to select a video and I'm going to separate the audio just so I can focus on the audio. Select the audio and you're just going to either select auto beats or match cut. So match cut is like you do it yourself, so you go to beat and you press the match cut. To delete this one, select the remove beats, or if you have like more than one and you want to delete all of them, you're just going to select clear beats. Or the shortcut is Control J on your keyboard and you can basically add in beats like that, and again on top of it press Control J again to remove that. But if you want to clear everything, select this bit. What I like to do is I like to use the auto beats one because it is way easier. Like as you can see, it's so simple. You just either beat 1 or beats 2, and you can even add more beats to it and remove it if you'd like to. And that is basically it. Super simple. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!